Right, so this is connected to the ground and the up. Okay, right. And then if I just go to Meross, click the garage door, and we can see the garage door's going up. Won't let it go all the way up. I just press stop. Press stop. Yeah, stopped it. And then if I just, for God's sake, I can't. No, if I just shimmy this along a second. No. And then if I press it again, it still continues to open the door. So the door's opening and it goes all the way to the top. So it's at the top. I'll go to the app. No, and it says open. And if I click the button again, you can hear it. Hear the relay go, but nothing happens. So if I follow the ask, which is to change from the ground to the up, to the ground to the down. Okay, so just unscrew that. There we go. Ground to the down is a furthest away. Just put that in there. There we go. Okay, so I'll just plonk that in there, so ground and down. I just activate the app again and click close. It will close. As we can see, it's closing, which is fine. We'll let it close. So it's closed, but then if I go into the app and click, well, it says it's open at the moment. Let me just put the magnet on it so it thinks it's closed. Make the system think it's closed. Right, there we go. I mean, it thinks it's closed. Okay, it says it's closed because I have attached the magnets together. So I'm just going to click the button to open it. The relay make the noise. It says opening. There is no action on the door. The door's doing nothing. Again, It says it's closed. Let's try again. Click. Again, hear the relay. Nothing happens. So yeah, that's the way it works. Or it doesn't work.